In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on Steam in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your Steam application. This is the main platform where all the magic happens. If you haven't already, make sure you have the Steam app installed on your computer. Once you have it open, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the login option and you'll be prompted to enter your account name along with your password. Be sure to double check your credentials to avoid any login issues. After inputting your details, click on Sign In and you'll be directed to your Steam homepage. Now that you're logged in, it's time to configure your settings for streaming. Start by clicking on the Steam option in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window. In this window, navigate to the Voice tab. This section is crucial as it ensures your microphone is set up correctly. Make sure your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your system. Here you can adjust your volume input and output to guarantee that your voice comes through clearly during the stream. You'll also need to set up how your voice is transmitted. This involves choosing between different transmission types like push to talk or continuous transmission, depending on your preference. Adjust the voice transmission threshold as well to make sure it activates at the right sound level. Once you've set up your voice settings, navigate to the Broadcast tab. In the Broadcast tab, you'll find several options to tailor the broadcasting experience to your PC's capabilities. Make some adjustments as needed so that your stream runs smoothly without overloading your system. Setting your privacy is another important step. If you want your games to be viewable by everyone, set the privacy setting to anyone can watch my games. Once that's set, click on Manage Broadcast, which will redirect you to the Steam Community Hub. Here you can personalize your stream by giving it a title. Think of something catchy that accurately describes your content to draw in viewers. After you've started streaming and are ready to end your session, you can click on Stop the Broadcast. You'll see a notification confirming that the broadcast has stopped. Simply click OK and wait for confirmation before closing everything down. There you have it. You've successfully set up and executed a broadcast on Steam. It's a simple process, but by taking the time to adjust your settings, you ensure a quality experience for both you and your viewers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming.